Everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a closer look at our 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. With just over 57,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 diesel engine. It is four-wheel drive. It also has a Clean CarFax with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this GMC Sierra well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights with fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front chrome recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll see a set of aftermarket 22-inch high-gloss black wheels wrapped up in a like-new off-road tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this beautiful Duramax, you will find it well equipped with turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with passive door entry, powered running boards, side steps, and side markers. And on the reverse side of your tow mirror, you can see your LED reverse lights, and you do have a blind spot monitor with an indicator integrated right into your mirror. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a touch of brushed aluminum and faux wood grain. As you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this GMC Sierra. Of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these beautiful leather seats with your Denali stitching right in the headrest. Those seats are heated and cooled in the front. You have a nice powered sunroof here. And of course, both of your seats on the passenger and driver side are both powered. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see the front tires are at 14 30 and the rears are at 13 and 12. And the brake pads are at 13 and 14 as well. And as you can see, everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking in the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space. And they're going to enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console with USB and 12-volt charging, storage on either side of the passenger and driver seat. We even have some nice storage here. Let me go ahead and step up on these running boards. Obvious aftermarket lift and suspension components on this GMC. You will have a fold-down cup holder and armrest here. And of course, you have power windows. Making our way around, you will notice your side steps integrated right into the side there. And you also have your rear steps integrated into the rear bumper. Followed up with your high-definition rear camera and all your towing equipment with your hitch receiver. You will also have your rear proximity sensors and your multi-pro tailgate as well. Along with your multi-pro tailgate, you will have a spray-in bed liner with LED cargo lighting and a 120 outlet. Making our way around to the driver door, you would have all your powered options such as power door locks, memory seating, and down below you have powered windows and powered mirrors as well, and that includes power telescoping and folding. To the left of the steering wheel, you have a trailering mode, accompanied by your four-wheel drive selector. Down below, you have a general lamp selector here, followed up with your brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, with your options for your fog lights and your cargo lights as well. And here we can see just over 57,000 miles on this GMC Sierra. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have heated steering wheel, forward collision, and your cruise control settings. And to the right, you'll have a selector for that center screen. And of course, you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free, and that includes smartphone integration, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system, you can see that this Denali is equipped with onboard navigation. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rear camera. Of course, you do have your bird's eye view and plenty of different angles here. This one being one of my favorites here. You have a bird's eye view of the back of the bed. And as you can see, you'd have a lot of different views for your convenience. And this is another favorite of mine. It'll show you the full length of the bed right here. Further down, you'll have some simple radio controls, followed up with your dual automatic climate control, fully equipped with heated and cooling seats. And bear with me, we have a lot of options to go over here in the middle. We do have an exhaust brake, lane keep assist, proximity sensors. Looks like you have a tailgate release right here. 4-ways, traction control off. This will supply power to the bed. And I believe your 110 right here. You have downhill descent control, which is part of the off-road package. And down below, you can see that this vehicle is equipped with an integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls. And as far as charging is concerned, like I said, you will have that 110, a 12 volt, a USB, and a USB-C. And if that's not enough, you do have wireless charging right here in the middle of this mega console here. You'll have your cup holders right here. followed up with a nice deep storage console with LED lighting. Let's go ahead and bring our attention up top to our integrated garage door openers. Looks like you can program up to 3, and of course you'll have options for your powered sunroof and your rear sliding glass. And under the hood you'll have a 6.6-liter V8 Duramax diesel engine. As you can see and hear, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Healthy sounding Duramax engine. Of course you do have your functional ram air hood. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Duramax has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this GMC Sierra. Keep in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, minimal stone chipping as the truck does sit up higher. Like I said, you have your functional ram air hood. Nice finish here on the black. Your chrome grille insert is in good shape, no cracks or anything like that, no discoloration. Your headlights are clear, no hazing, no fading, and your fog lights are in good shape as well. Going down to the lower bumper here, you will see some blemishes around the proximity sensors. Your lower bumper here surrounding your front recovery hooks is in good shape. Some nice chrome trim, no peeling of the coating or anything like that. All your trim pieces around your wheel and tire setup with your markers are in good shape, no discoloration, no fading. Let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels here. No curb rash on those deep dish wheels. 37 by 12, 50R, 22. These are LTs. Looks like these are ridge grapplers. So a really nice off-road tire, really mean stance here on this Denali. Of course, obvious aftermarket lift-in component suspensions. Make sure you ask your sales consultant for more details on that. Coming around to the badging here. Badging is in good shape. Sorry if the sun's playing a little trick with the camera here. Here on your mirror cap, really good shape, no fading, no discoloration, small blemish right there as we can see. Your badging is in good shape. Chrome door handles here, also in good shape. Some scuffs behind the door handle here as you can see. Let's take a look on the inside. Passenger side door card, really clean. Didn't notice anything that stood out with the interior, guys. Really clean as far as the leather is concerned. No rip stains, tears, or odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Truck was not smoked in. And even on your brushed aluminum and faux wood grain elements, really good shape. Let's continue around to the rear seats. Looks like we have, maybe that's just the sunlight playing some tricks on me here, sorry. This truck was too big to fit in our showroom. But as you can see in the back, the condition of the leather is in really good shape. Your headliner up here looks like a small blemish up there. You do have carpeted floor mats, the original that come with the truck, but you do have those all-weather floor mats that are included as well. Let's take a look at the bed. No dents or dings to the vehicle body. We like to take care of that before we list our vehicles. Did want to mention your tail lights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading, so nice bright LEDs can shine through. Here on your multi-pro tailgate, let's go ahead and take a look. Functional, very good shape. A little bit of dust from the showroom or the garage or reconditioning shop. Other than that, the spray and bed liners are in really good shape. Continuing on to the driver's side, tail light is in good shape here. And it looks like you have a small scratch right here above the rear driver's side wheel. No curb rash on that wheel. All your markers are in good shape, no cracks or anything. Trim pieces around your integrated steps are in good shape. The running boards are in good shape as well. Let's go ahead and have those come out as you can see. Just a nice flat running board. Some scuffs behind the driver door handle, again not perfect. We do like to make these, we price these vehicles accordingly and aggressively and very competitively. But if you have any more specific questions or if you'd like to see any more specific videos or photos, give us a call at All Things Automotive. A few ways you can reach us. You can call us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. Guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved on this heavy-duty pickup truck. Super easy. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this truck does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.